I am in Brașov and I am taking a train to Sighisoara. Here we are at Sighisoara station. Let's go to the center. A Hungarian Protestant church. In this area there is a Hungarian minority. In Hungarian, Sighisoara is called Segesvar, and in German, Schäßburg. And here, unexpectedly, I found a Soviet military cemetery. Neizvestny Geroi. All the soldiers are unknown. Only down there is a tomb with the name of an officer. There is an older memorial to a Russian general. During the Hungarian Revolution of 1848, the Battle of Segesvar was fought here, between the Revolutionary Army and an Austrian-Russian alliance. The battle ended with the victory of the Russian-Austrian army, but the general was killed. The foundation stone was laid by Franz Josef. Nearby an old power station. Let's pass by the Orthodox Church. And let's cross the river in the direction of the old town. The Capitoline Wolf, donated by the city of Rome at the beginning of 20th century. Italy donated such wolves to many Romanian towns. Let's walk up to the clock tower. In Transylvania, one can sometimes see that on towers there are 4 turrets. That meant that the local judge could emit capital sentences. The church of Monastery, built in 13th century and later converted in a Lutheran church. The rugs, which were brought back by merchants from the Ottoman Empire. Dracula, Vlad III, is everywhere in Transylvania. This is the house where he was born. hosting a restaurant. Each tower belonged to a guild. This is the Tinsmiths Tower. It is closed because of some renovation work. This is the famous covered stair. A TV troupe is filming some documentary. The steps are all different, one must pay attention. The Evangelical Church on the hill. These storage chests were used in 17th, 18th century to stock food. The Evangelical Cemetery. The Bergschule, the high school on the hill. Near the covered staircase there is also this monument to the fallen in World War I. There are many historical traces of the Saxons, but after the fall of Ceausescu regime, much of the German minority immigrated to Germany. Most of the towers are closed for renovation works. They take care of the historic heritage. The Furriers and the Butchers Towers. The Tailors Tower. The Shoemakers Tower. An old fireman's engine. Some presence of a German minority. You can see the moving drummer in the lower niche near the goddess of peace. On the upper niche, the figures of justice and righteousness. Two angels representing night and day move at 6 a.m. and 6 p.m. On the other side of the tower, 7 figures represent the days of the week. The clock tower hosts the city museum. This room is dedicated to the guilds and their towers. Behind the head, Sighisoara in 1735. There is also an exposition about Hermann Oberth, a pioneer of astronautics who lived in Sighisoara. He developed experimental rockets and was later a mentor of Wernher von Braun. He designed this model of a rocket which appeared in the Fritz Lang's movie The Woman in the Moon. The view from the clock tower. And let's walk back to the station. This is now a hotel and restaurant, but these bas reliefs with the people, with the workers, seem to hint to some factory or house of culture. If you know what this was, please write in the comments.